Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a review of the Nano Basket Plus. It's basically an add-on to this OutIn Nano Portable Electric Espresso Machine. I did a review on this. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one, as well as a link to the video on my reviews of this product. But today we're going to try basically this allows you to make a double shot because it gives you a bigger basket of coffee. Comes with the instruction guide here. It comes nicely packaged, as you would expect for this premium product. But it's got the tamper, the doser right here, the little shower screen for the coffee with the basket, and then it comes with a bigger portafilter to kind of get it on there, as well as a little distributor tool. Basically it attaches to the bottom of this. So let me get set up here. I'm going to put some coffee in, and we're going to make a bigger espresso. Alright guys, so I've got everything filled up here. Went ahead, this is the basket. I filled it up with coffee. And then you put it in your portafilter. Kind of put the doser on there, and then the tamper on top. You basically want to make sure that there's no gap here when you're doing the tamper. You spin it around. You get a nice tamped coffee there. And you go ahead and put your kind of shower screen on there. And these two pieces are basically the old basket that you put either coffee or just this is the one you put the pod in. So you don't need that. You take that off the bottom of your OutIn espresso maker. Put it in the wrong way there. You just screw it onto the bottom. Now that's good to go. Now we're going to add some water to the top. We're going to add, basically to the max since this is the bigger cup. Pour it to the max here. This should be good. Pour out my excess water. Get my little holder cup here. So we'll put our top back on. And then we're going to hold this for 2 seconds. Now it's going to warm up and then brew the coffee. It'll make a beeping sound when it's ready to brew. It takes about 200 seconds. So I'm going to pause the video. When it's getting ready to brew, I'll turn you guys back on and we will see how it looks. Alright guys, we're almost done here. It's about to beep here any second now. There it goes. There you go. Got a nice double shot of espresso there. Put this back in its holder there. Let's go ahead and taste it. Very good, nice and hot. Nice double shot of espresso, good way to start the morning. I'll put a link to where you can buy one of these down in the description below. As long as a video of my review of this, both my long-term and my initial unboxing review. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.